Hey, please come with me for a 10 minutes. Stay with me for a 10 minutes. If you're working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, then this video is very important, particularly for micro, small, and medium entrepreneurs, where they have a lack of system, where they have a lack of scalabilities, and they have a huge opportunity to fulfill this system and scalabilities. What are those drivers that can help you to create the tremendous opportunities in your business? What are those skills that you need to develop and align in your business that can create more opportunities? The driver you should know and apply in your business so that you would be able to get more productivity and profitabilities. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're working as an entrepreneur or as a business owner, please tell me what is your objective to do the business? What is your objective? Your objective here is to increase the turnover. Your objective here is to increase the team size. Your objective is to increase the excellency in the operational services. No, not at all. Your objective here is to increase the profitability. And when you are commenting to increase the profitability, all this turnover, operational excellencies, team size are being the part of the profitability creations. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Yes. Because when you talk about profitability, it is the bottom line of the element which can become after all those expenses and the revenues. So when you have the revenues minus all those expenses, whether it is direct, indirect, variable, semi-variable, fixed, whatever the expenses you would have, all those expenses you have to set up with the revenues, and then the profitability would become. So all those expenses would cover the team size, the operational excellences expenses, operational excellences services. All those expenses would be covered there. So your objective is only one objective, that you have to create the profitability. Now question here is that what profitability is suitable for your business? For that you should know about what is your business driver, what is your growth drivers that are helping you to create the opportunities, and knowing the profitabilities what you have created and what you have projected. So let you please understand this. As an entrepreneur or as a business owner, if you are just keeping your stagnant of the turnover, if you are just keeping your bottom line the profitability, it means you are not doing the business, ladies and gentlemen. Every year, your revenue should be increased, your profitability should be increased. And if it is increasing, then you would be able to manage your teams, manage your everything. If profitability is not increasing, it means there is no make sense to do the business. Because when you are doing the business and not increasing the profitability, you are not knowing that what hidden cost, what secret cost you are incurring, and that are creating a form part of your profitability. What are those secret costs that you are incurring? You do not know. So the profitability enhancement is more important. That you have to take a fundamental concept and keep more weightage in your mind that you have to increase the profitability. That is more important. So now come to the point here is what is the growth driver that you have to keep in your mind and apply in your business to grab more opportunities, to create more opportunities, and have an overall profitability in your business. So I would like to bring 5 drivers that can help you to know about those. The number one driver is the business plan. What do you mean by the business plan? Like how you are creating the structures for anything. You have to create the structures for your business. The first fundamental documentation you must have, that is the business plan. Whether you have the existing business or a newcomer business you have started, your business plan is your first fundamental documentations. Your business plan is your mirror that can help you to know about that where you would like to go or what you would like to achieve. What profitability you have measured on your business plan, and what are those actions and reforms that you are going to develop, you are going to implement in your business to get those all opportunities. So business plan is your first driver that can help you to know about what you are going to achieve and what you have the objective in terms of increasing the profitability and growth in your business. With this, the second deliverables, the second functions of your growth drivers is your customers. Now think about it. Customers is your everything. When you are serving to your customer and your customer is happy, your customers are referring to your product and service, to your brand, to many more, and your marketings are doing by your customer on your behalf. So customer and the requirement of the customer that you need to understand. Now questions here is that, is everyone is your customer? Can you treat that everyone is your customer? No, not at all. You have to find that who is your customer. So now a very simple step that you have to know with the right customer, that who is your right customer and who has the requirement of your product and service, who has the money desired. So these are the conditions that you need to check within yourself, that what product and services you have, who is your right customer, who has the desire and requirement of your product and service, and who has the money. So if a customer has the money, if a customer has a desired requirement of your product and services, he or she can be easily purchase your product or services, isn't it? So that is more important that you need to find. If a potential customer is having money but no more requirement, no more desire, that you have to create those desire system in their minds. You have to create those interests so that the customer would come and purchase or buy your services. That is more important. So who is your customer, who has the requirement, desire, and who has the money for purchasing your product and services. Now you need to understand, when your customer has bought your product and services, then you need to again find out within yourself that, is this customer can become a regular customer? What you need to do here is that you have to serve to your customer. You have to keep happy to your customer. If you have the existing customer with the contractual terms, then you have to keep happy to your customer with all those requirements, all those pain points that you have to take on behalf of your customer, and then your customer will be happy and create more opportunities and profitability for your business. With this, the third deliverable, the third function that you need to know and you have to implement in your business to create more opportunity and profitability is your teams. Now your teams is your supreme vehicle who drive your business, who create more opportunities in your business, who create more profitability in your business. Now teams are who are working on behalf of you to create the opportunities. What is your role and responsibility as a management, as an entrepreneur or as a business owner is to create the structures, is to know about and fulfillment of all those requirements. But when you have the teams on behalf of you, your teams are working as an entrepreneur and creating those all opportunity, whether you call the teams member under sales, marketing, finance, operations, IT, HR, wherever they are. But these teams are the supreme part that are creating more and more opportunities for your business. So you need to understand that how teams are important and how you are managing the teams, that you need to develop those tools and techniques that your teams are helping you to create the good opportunities. With the teams, the fourth deliverable, and that is more important, is the technology. Now you need to understand this, that how business are shaping with that technology, how business are innovating with that technology. When you do not have that technology, you are not able to run your business effectively, because technology is providing you the corrective data, speed, accuracy, and the accomplishment of your targets. The technologies are more important as of date, and the technology driven system and the technology driven conceptual workings are providing more opportunities to find out with the customer eyes. That is more important. So when you have that technology, you can be able to create more leads, more demands. You would be able to create more qualified leads when you have that technology. You would be able to manage your compliances effectively. You would be able to know about all those system infrastructures, what is the requirement. You would be able to find everything through that technology. So with the help of technology, you would be able to blend your teams, your stakeholders, your customers, when you have that technology, because the right technology will provide you the system structures, and that can help you to create that tremendous opportunity. You would be able to find more accurate data. That would be through your technology. So this is more important. When you talk about operations, would you be able to serve the customer without the technology? No. When you talk about the finance and management, would you be able to manage the finance and the compliances without the help of the technology? No, not at all. So the technology is more important, and technology driven system informations are providing you the right opportunities in order to build up more confidence within the teams and within yourself. So what was the four deliverable that I have spoken here is about the business plan. Then you need to know about your customer, then you need to know about your teams, and then you need to know about your technology. So the business plan, customer, teams, and technology, these are the four deliverables that you need to know. And the fifth one here is that operations and finance. This is more important that you need to know. When you need to serve the customer, you must have operations. When you ask for the insightful informations that what you have created the business plan and how you have achieved the business plan, who will provide you the informations or data? That the finance will provide you the insightful informations, and basis of those insightful information you will be able to create the decisions, take a right decisions. What is the operation excellency, and how the operations excellency is directly or indirectly increasing the revenues, that impact, and that impact you would be able to know from the finance. So these are the five drivers that you would be able to create in your business, no matter what size of your business are, whether you are micro, small, or medium entrepreneur. For any of the entrepreneurship journey, these are the driver that you need to implement, and if you have not implemented as of date, you will not able to create the opportunity. You are just in the firefighting of your day-to-day operations, and over the period of the time, how the inflations and the cost of capital and the hidden costs are going to charge in your business, you are not knowing. And over the period of the time, you will ask to yourself, why our business is not increasing? Why I am not able to create the profitability? Am I not able to create the right opportunity? I have the good customer, I have the good revenues, then why I'm not able to create the profitability? You will ask the questions from your mind, and you will not able to find out the answer, because you have not created the system, structures, team. You do not create it. Those business driver that can help you to create the tremendous opportunities in your business, because what is your objective in your business is to create more profitability. And when you have the profitability, you would be able to measure your capabilities and capacities, that how your business is running and go through. That is more important, that you need to understand and create the flavors of the business growth that can help to create the tremendous opportunities, sustainability, and overall growth in your business. When your business is growing, you would be growing. You would be more confident. You would be able to think differently in that case. And when your business is not growing, when you are not keeping this all business growth in your business, this driver in your business will not be grow. And when your business will not be grow, you will think about that why business is not increasing. What happened to the business? And over the period of the time, you will start your business. So think about it. Would you like to increase the profitability, or would you like to shut down your business with the decreasing of your profitability? Choice is yours. This is Sanjay Singh signing out. Until we meet again. Thank you. Thank you very much.